Attracting customers with digital marketing. Example case study. Scenario. Let's say you own an online bakery specializing in artisanal sourdough bread. You want to attract new customers through digital marketing. Strategies. 1. Define your target audience. Who are your ideal customers? Busy professionals, health-conscious foodies, families. Understanding their demographics, interests, and online behavior helps tailor your approach. 2. Build a strong online presence. Create a user-friendly website. Showcase your beautiful breads, highlight ingredients and baking process, and make ordering easy. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords to ensure your website appears high in search results when people search for sourdough bread. Leverage social media. Share mouth-watering photos of your bread, post recipes and baking tips, engage with followers, and run targeted ads on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. 3. Create valuable content. Start a blog. Share insights into sourdough baking, post customer testimonials, and offer tips on pairing bread with different dishes. Develop email marketing campaigns. Send mouth-watering recipe newsletters, offer exclusive discounts, and provide updates on new baked goods. 4. Run targeted ads. Use Google Ads and social media platforms ad tools to reach potential customers based on their interests and online behavior. Showcase enticing visuals and compelling offers. 5. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with food bloggers or local health-conscious businesses to promote your bread to their audience. Offer them exclusive discounts or host joint events. Example. Imagine you partner with a popular local yoga studio. You offer a special discount on your sourdough bread to their students and provide samples at their classes. This exposes your brand to a targeted audience interested in healthy options and artisanal products. Key metrics to track. Website traffic and conversions. Social media engagement and reach. Email open rates and click-through rates. Ad campaign performance. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly publish fresh content, engage with your audience, and analyze your results to optimize your campaigns. Provide excellent customer service. Responding to inquiries promptly, resolving issues efficiently, and exceeding expectations fosters loyalty and positive word of mouth. By implementing these strategies and tailoring them to your specific audience and brand, you can attract new customers and build a thriving online bakery through the power of digital marketing. Note: this is just one example, and the most effective strategies will vary depending on your specific business and industry. The key is to understand your target audience, create valuable content, and experiment with different digital marketing tactics to find what works best for you. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.